Kill me. Oh wow, you are fucked, mate.
And you're not that injured if you're moving that arm around so much. If it was so badly injured,
are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Are you a physio?
In today's episode, we're outside the Mets Training College in Hendon, and what begins as a simple interaction quickly turns into a serious confrontation. The man chooses not to answer the officer's questions, but within moments, he's physically grabbed and told he's being detained for a search. The officer claims he believes the man has a prohibited spray in his pocket. But there's a major problem with that explanation, and it starts with the basic question of whether refusing to speak to police can actually justify a search. Let's break down exactly what happened.
Whoa, what are you doing? Get let go off me right now.
Being detained for a search under Section 1 of the Piece of Criminal Evidence Act, I've just seen what I believe to be a pulver spray in your pocket.
Oh, you're talking
Okay, my name is PC Dennis from Cornwall Police Station.
You made a massive mistake, pal. Take your hand off me now.
Well, you didn't want to speak to me,
I don't need to speak to you.
Well, if you're going to be hanging around, yes, you do.
And this is where the officer's own words become extremely important. He effectively acknowledges that he may have made the wrong call, yet he continues holding the man anyway. That raises a serious question. If the original suspicion is no longer supported by the facts, what legal basis remains for keeping someone detained? A search doesn't suddenly become lawful just because an officer has already started it. Once the reason for the detention falls away, the officer has to reassess the situation.
So you're now being detained for a search, and I'm going to be searching you.
Yes. I didn't speak to you.
And I've seen this.
Is that grounds for a search?
And I've seen this.
And what's that?
Well, I saw the top bit, didn't I? So I think it's a spray. It's a paper spray, isn't it?
Is it? Read it.
That's what I thought it to be.
Read it, you numpty. Read it.
Don't call me a numpty.
You're a moron. Let go of me.
No. You're being searched. Anna, hold that, please.
Is it a paper spray? Is it a paper spray?
Doesn't matter. I believed it to be when I detained you for a search.
Well, you can see that it's not, so let go of me. No, some nothing. Get your bloody hands off me.
No.
Let go of me.
Right, you can either work with me here, or I'd put you in cuffs and I'd take the umbrella off you and then you get a bit wet.
You do that, you're going to end up with trouble. Let go of me, man.
Then we get to the issue of the pouch. The officer suggests that if it's taken away and searched later, it could potentially be damaged or destroyed. But that isn't the same thing as explaining a lawful power. Police authority comes with limits, and threatening consequences to force someone to cooperate can turn a tense encounter into something even more serious. The real question is whether the officer is exercising a genuine legal power or simply applying pressure.
Let go of me.
Because you've been hostile towards me from the get-go.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you have.
How did I?
Because you wouldn't talk to me, and I'm trying to explain to you.
I don't need to talk to you, you moron. Get your bloody hands off me.
No. That's not how this works.
Take your hand off me.
That's not how this works.
You know full well it's not a weapon. So
doesn't matter. I believed it at the time, and I'm going to search you to make sure that there is nothing else that I should be concerned about.
Oh, you're in trouble, pal. You're in massive trouble.
I may be in trouble, but that doesn't matter.
There you go, you're throwing my property away as well. What's that all about? Let go of me.
Well, if you stood still and just let me do it, then you'd be over and done with, wouldn't it?
No, I'm not going to sit and let you abuse a...
Now let's focus on the object that triggered this entire confrontation. The officer believed it was pepper spray, but it was actually a FAB gel criminal identifier spray. That distinction matters because the product is designed to mark an attacker with a dye, so they can potentially be identified later, rather than simply incapacitating them. So once the officer realizes his original assumption was wrong, the justification based on that assumption has to be reconsidered. You can't keep relying on a suspicion after the facts have changed.
I'm not abusing the law.
Yes,
I believe you to have a weapon in your pocket.
Because you can see inside my pockets. You can see through fabric. Is that what it is?
Fella,
your
spray top was here, clearly visible. Anyone who sees that, they would think it is a spray.
Bollocks. Who are you shouting at? I know you identified.
You're the one that fucking shouting, mate.
Who are you swearing at? Who are you swearing at, public servant? Who are you swearing at? Swear at me again. Swear at me again. Wow, why are you twisting me up? Why are you twisting me up? Why are you twisting me up? Right, okay, okay.
Keep resisting, I'll put you in cuffs right now.
You're in trouble.
Relax.
Let go of me. You fucked my shoulder.
The search. Agreed?
Let go of me. Let go of me. You're in trouble. You're in big trouble. Let go of me. Let go of me. Let go of me. You're swearing at me and you grip me up.
It's a 2-0. Are you there as well, yeah?
Yes, yes.
Right. So you're swearing at me, public servant. Are you allowed to swear at members of the public, police officer? Are you allowed to swear at members of the public, constable?
Yes.
Oh, you're
Yes, because I
fucked up to epic degree.
Do you mind opening up that pouch?
No.
If I can't determine what's in there, I may have to just take it from you so I can search it later on. In which case, it might end up getting destroyed.
What grounds have you got to take it?
Under Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I'm allowed to search you.
You search my... The
Under
thing
Section
you thought,
19, I believe it.
I'm not opening
anything
it.
else in it.
Then comes one of the most concerning moments. The man says he has been injured and asks for help. At that point, the issue is no longer just about the search. He is being detained and has allegedly been hurt during the encounter. Once police take control of someone's freedom and physical situation, their welfare becomes a serious responsibility. The question becomes whether the force used was necessary, proportionate, and properly managed, not simply whether officers were capable of restraining him.
Unless I'm legally obliged to open it, I'm not opening it. If you break it, you pay for it. I'm going to sue the living daylights out of you, and you're going to be an IOPC investigation, pal. You have messed up to epic degree. You absolute buffoon. You need to identify yourself, please.
PC Anthony from Collindale Police Station 1947.
Thank you. So I know you did identify yourself, but can you do it again? Because I didn't hear it.
PC Dennis, 1523 November Whiskey from Collindale Police
You're in
Station.
trouble, pal. You've lined yourself in a whole heap of shit.
Fella,
You just gripped me up, you twisted me
I've
up.
explained it on the thing,
No,
when I walked up beside you,
But listen.
this topper here was clearly visible in the side of your pocket.
Bollocks.
I don't know
Bollocks.
what the
But
spray
then you
is
took it
until
out
I've
of my
searched
pocket
you.
and you've seen it isn't a weapon. So there your grounds
Right.
are finished.
No, it's not.
100% it is.
No, because why else are you hanging around a police building with a spray?
Is that grounds for a search?
Yes.
Is
Especially
it?
when I believe that there's a spray that may
But it's not, but-
have been a noxious
But,
chemical.
but now you know it's not.
Doesn't matter if I know it's not now. I still don't know what else you got on you, do you?
But that's the reason for the search.
That was the reason for the search, because I saw it
Because
there.
you apparently
But
can
if
see
you've
it
got
in
this,
people's
if you've got
pockets.
this in your pocket, what else could you possibly have in your
Nonsense.
pocket?
There are also 3 final issues that shouldn't be overlooked. First, the language used by the officer, because professional standards require officers to maintain appropriate conduct even during difficult encounters. Second, the colleague who appears to rely on the idea that the other officer is simply in charge. But being the senior or leading officer doesn't remove the responsibility to challenge inappropriate behavior. And third, the safeguards. When an encounter becomes physical, those protections are there for a reason, and they should not be ignored.
Nonsense.
Can I try and
You search my pockets.
Right.
Anything in there incriminating?
Can I try and explain to you?
No, it's nonsense. I'm not having it. I'm not having it.
I know-
I am not having it. I'm
Okay.
sitting there minding my own business. I don't want to engage with these. I walk away and you stop and search me because I didn't talk to you. You absolute moron.
As I've explained on my camera, I saw this.
You've injured my
I saw
shoulder.
this show.
You've injured. I need an ambulance. You've injured my shoulder.
You're moving your arm just around just fine, so you're obviously not that injured, is
listen,
it?
I had a partial rotator cuff injury, and you've just twisted my shoulder up and thrown me into that lamppost. I need an
And my
ambulance.
camera's going to show you that you were resisting, so that's why I put your arm
Because
on
it's an
there. And I
unlawful
have-
search, you
It's not an
moron.
unlawful
Of
search.
course it is.
I gave you the grounds for the search.
Yeah, you made them up.
No, I didn't make them
You
up.
made them up, and then when you...
Fella, you see the top of that in
Even
anyone's
if
pocket,
that's
would you
true.
not call it in? Would you not think it is a weapon?
Even if that is true...
Would you not think
Even
that
if
that's a
that
weapon?
is
Seeing it?
true...
Answer the question, yes or no.
Even if that is true...
Right.
Even if that's true, you took it out of my pocket, you seen what it was. There you go. That was the only thing you thought that was a weapon. So once you see what it is,
And how did I
round it
know that
over.
wasn't a weapon? All I saw was you
You
holding on
didn't
to
say that
walking
though.
around.
You didn't mention
Would you
that.
like your stuff back?
What?
Would you like
You
your
take your
stuff
stuff.
back?
I want to stop your search slip.
Yeah, that's fine. I'll write one up.
You
here.
fucked up, mate. I'm going to have you for this. I'm going to sue the mate again, so congratulations. You went and done it, pal. You absolute moron. You twisted me up. Remember, use of force, alright? For an unlawful search, I'm going to fuck you big time,
Use
big
the
man.
force powers under section 117 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act because I detained you under section 1 of the
Bollocks.
Police and Criminal Evidence Act. You were
Bollocks.
resisting. I could have easily put you in custody from the get-go.
It was
I
an
chose not
unlawful
to.
search. So you decided to twist me up and injure my shoulder. I've requested medical attention because of your unlawful use of force. I suggest you get that before you make it even worse for yourself. You fucked my shoulder.
So we can type the form.
No, do it here.
Well, we need our laptops, which unfortunately are over there.
Are you going to print it from your laptop?
Sorry?
How are you going to print it?
It's a digital form, so we
No, I want a paper
want a
copy.
paper one?
I'm entitled to a paper copy.
You mind holding that then?
Hold on. As I say, you've injured my shoulder. I'm requesting medical assistance. Are you refusing that? Are you refusing that?
Are you not capable of calling yourself?
You injured me, you moron.
Are you not capable of calling them yourself? Think about that. The auditor is detained. He cannot leave. The moment you take someone's liberty, their welfare becomes your responsibility.
And I'm still detained.
You're not injured,
I'm under your custody because I'm detained. I'm under your custody
Right,
because I'm
what's your first
detained.
name then,
You've
sir?
injured me.
What's your first name?
I'm not giving you that.
Well then, I cannot give you a stop slip.
You don't need name.
I do.
No, you
Physically
don't.
says it. Name,
Right.
date of birth, says codes for...
Leave it blank.
Well no, because then there's no point
Listen,
in you filling one out, is there?
Listen, I've had a lot of stop and search forms. You don't need my personal details or stop and search
Fine.
for. You're a moron. You're an idiot.
You're aware of what the police reform
Where's
act
your
is,
tie?
where I can actually ask if you're hanging
Where's your
around
hat
and I
and
can
tie?
demand your details, yes?
Where's your hat and tie? Go for it. I dare you to. I dare you to. Try it. You're making it worse for yourself. You're digging yourself a bigger hole. You absolute moron. You don't know what you're talking about. You're an absolute fool. You actually don't know what you're doing. You're going to get people hurt. You're an absolute moron. I'm requesting medical assistance. My shoulder is absolutely searing in pain because of what he just done. Are you refusing to get me medical assistance?
I'm not, sir.
So can you do that then? I've not seen his attempt to even try it. And I've got a question for you both. Is it just routine to not follow orders for you guys?
Not that he's in charge, sir.
No, but I'm asking you as well. Is it just routine to not follow policy and procedure?
I've tried to speak to you nicely
Are you?
to explain
Did you
because I've
speak to me nicely? You came and twisted me up for just walking.
So, when you put everything together, this encounter raises questions at almost every stage. The initial suspicion, the decision to continue the detention, the use of force, the handling of the man's welfare, and the overall professionalism of the officers all deserve scrutiny. The biggest lesson is simple: knowing the law matters. When officers and members of the public understand their rights and responsibilities, situations can be resolved much faster. But when authority turns into intimidation, a simple interaction can escalate very quickly. What do you think was the biggest failure here? The search grounds, the continued detention, the use of force, or the way the situation was handled afterward?
Now, can I get medical attention to my shoulder? It's absolutely killing me. Oh wow, you are fucked, mate.
And you're not that injured if you're moving that arm around so much. If it was so badly injured,
Are you a doctor? Are
attention,
you a doctor? Are
wouldn't
you a
be moving it around, would
physiotherapist? Are you a doctor? Are you a physiotherapist?
No.
Then there you go then. How do you know?
Because I've been doing first aid for over 20 years.
Wow.
I've seen
Yeah, first aider.
if you're injured, mate, then I'm the king of Siam.
Right, you ever had the partial rotator cuff chair? Have you? You forgot to do something that I'm also going to screw you for as well. Why did neither of you tell me that you were using your body worn video? You absolute tyrants. Huh? Why didn't you tell me you were using your video? Hey, big man, why didn't you tell me you were using your video, you absolute fool? Huh? You want to try and twist me up again, big man? That's called the walk of shame. Look, tail tucked between your legs, jogging on, winding your neck in. You absolute fools. I don't know who you think these are. Think you can just grab members of the public? Congratulations though, I'm going to make you famous today. Bet you didn't see that coming, did you? Yeah, he's not so chatty now, are you? Like, you're just chatting nonsense, you talk shite. You're just talking shite. And that's you walking on, jogging on back to your little car till you find some other member of the public that you can verbally abuse with your bad language and put your hands on, twist them up and think that you can just use pieces of legislation to do that. Well, I guarantee you something, I am going to have both of you for this. All because I didn't speak to you.